Good day, Juan. Thanks for joining us here in the chart. You tuned into the Market Beast edition. Yes, it is your fellow compadre speaking, and today we'll be exploring an interesting stock that is a request, PPB Group BHD. I have no clue what this stock is, okay? Remember, I'm just a technicals guy. If you're just stopping in, welcome. Sometimes I speak a little harsh, but I don't know what most of these stocks are. I'm just a technicals guy. I'm not paid to say any of this, okay? Please do not overwhelm your list of potential investments, okay? Just pick the ones you like and carry on. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. We're going to get into the technical details of this stock. I do think it is very interesting. So, yeah, let's not waste time. The YouTube algorithm, leave your appropriate comments and your thumbs and everything, guys, so that we can continue to promote the channel. Thank you for your help with that. So let's go ahead and dive right into this chart here, shall we? All right. So today's February the 21st, 2021, and the previous close of this stock is going to be $18.20. It closed approximately 0.5% for the day. Okay, again, the PPB is the ticker symbol. Here's the lines. I found some interesting lines on this, so here it is. That's it, really simple. It's not what we're actually used to. We're used to seeing the yellow line descending, right? So this is a little bit different like that, right? But this stock is technically in an uptrend. It's been uptrending ever since, like down here at like 2002. I mean, it's been out for a while, and it started out at like $1.79. So this is a very beautiful, undeniable uptrend. Like, you guys know I don't normally say a stock is in an uptrend, but this is really, really nice. Very aggressive, very obvious uptrend, finding support at this yellow ascending line here, and it appears that there's an interesting range that is currently within. So this red line represents the critical level it needs to stay above, which is currently at about $14.56. Okay, so this is a really important line. Okay, now also, of course, most importantly for me in my book, I'd like to see the price stay above this yellow line. It kind of varies where it is, right? It's kind of ascending, so in increments of, let's just see where it would be if it opens next week. These are 4-week candles, really weird candles. I just for visibility purposes. Let's see, March the 1st, 2021. It's going to be a price target of $17. Okay, and then if you move on over to the next area, so it kind of goes up in increments of 10 cents basically every 4 weeks, or 4-week candles. Okay. So as long as it's above, let's just say $17.11 over the course of the next 4 or 8 or like 12 weeks, right? If it wants to find support at this yellow line again and potentially get a bounce to the upside, that wouldn't be out of the ordinary for me, because this stock is perfectly in an uptrend. So it's likely the trend will continue until it ends, right? The trend is your friend to the end. That's the saying. So I would pay attention to this. Well, I wouldn't. I'm not invested in this stock, nor do I plan on investing. But for the person who sent out the request, this is what I'm looking at. It looks very interesting. It's getting kind of scary close to that support line. I mean, it's been kind of finding support. When I look at trend lines, I look at them as if, every time it comes to that trend line, it's finding financial support. So if you notice here, like back in, let's see, near the inception, 2006, at a price of like $3, it found financial support at this yellow line. And then notice how it found a lot of financial support, like this clustered area here. Like it needed a little bit too much financial support here in January 2013 at about $9.40. And then like here, January the 5th, 2015, $11.50. So you see how it's needing a little bit too much financial support. What does that mean? Well, I truly would like to see it just kind of bounce away from this yellow line and just kind of find its own organic or independent, right, financial support. Someone like, what is this guy talking about? Guys, I specialize in the story behind price action, and this is just my unique way of understanding what's going on behind the scenes, right? Like everyone looks at news and other articles. I just simply need the price action to speculatively determine what could take place next. And again, it's getting really close to this financial support line. I'd hate to see it break down, because let's just say, for example, you see the price below, what did I say, $17. So if we get like a breakdown of $17, it's likely it's going to come back up and find resistance at this very long-term support line, financial support line. And if you see it all the way down to $14.60, that's the line it had better hold, because that's the previous level of resistance. That's why we put that red line there. So let's just say, hypothetically speaking, just in case there's a retracement in the market, because this green line, I don't know if we went over it, it's $18.97. It really needs to get above that line and just stay above it and find financial support above that line. I would feel more comfortable there, because that way it doesn't need any more financial support on this yellow line. It'll just kind of find financial support at the all-time high. That is the all-time high at $18.90, and just kind of continue to thrust and ease to the upside as it has been doing forever, right? I'd love to see that, but right now it's kind of looking as if it needs more financial support at this yellow line. Let's let this play out and give it a few weeks. I'd say at least 3 months, and just monitor, or just make sure, set an alert. You don't have to like glue your face to a screen or something. Just, set an alert. I'd say at, let's say, I'll even set an alert right now. And let's just say $17.40. So just before it actually gets to that yellow line, even if the trajectory is going to continue to the upside, right? Let's just say next week it just blasts off to the upside. Then you don't have to worry about any of this. If you see it above $18.97, then you know the trajectory is just continuing to the upside. The trend is your friend till the end. It's beautiful, and it's in a very beautiful uptrend. So, I mean, you can't deny that. But again, just set your alert. $17 and let's see, what did I say? $17.40. If it gets to that level, you definitely want to open up your charts and kind of monitor what's going on, because if it breaks down below there, I would start to raise an eyebrow or two. Well, like interchange them, right? You can't raise two eyebrows. Never mind, forget it. So if it breaks down below 1740, again, this level down here, 1455. Yeah, it has to hold that level. Otherwise, it's just probably going to get very interesting to the downside, just to say the least. So that's all I have for you, wonderful folks. Hopefully you found invaluable information in this video. Again, thank you for the request. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you guys enjoyed the content, if you found any valuable information in this video. If you're new, before you go, we also cover the alternative markets. I'm not sure if you're in like Bitcoin and altcoins, but of course, subscribe, hit the bell with us. We'll send you that information when it is available. And I think we covered everything, you wonderful folks. Thank you for your patience with me here. I appreciate your time. We're going to cut out. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Execute your strategies is very important, okay? We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.